Hello, my name is Mira Frisch and I'm the cello professor at UNC Charlotte. I'm going to do my best this year to help bassists in the state of North Carolina prepare their required solo for the honors and regional orchestra auditions. You'll hear me play the piece and then I'll give you a few tips for how you can better play and practice the piece yourself. I hope you found that video helpful. I want to talk to you about making this piece as musical as possible. So the first thing I'd like to say is I would just encourage you, even though most of the notes in this piece are separate bow strokes, try to play as smooth, as legato as possible to make beautiful singing phrases. I would also suggest following the contour of the phrase. So that means as the notes go up in the staff, you can use a little bit more bow per note to make a crescendo. And as the notes go down in the staff, you can use less bow per note to make a diminuendo. I would like to give you a few tips about thinking about fingerboard geography. So I'll show you what I mean by that. In measure 3, you'll be coming from measure 2. So you need to make a shift to play 4A on the D string. And that shift is actually going to be a whole step away, even though the melody is a half step away. So you're going to be thinking 1 replace 4, and that takes you to where you need to go. The next place we can think about that is on the second line, the similar material. You start on your E flat. Here, when one shifts from B flat to C, you are already in place to play 4th finger A, so no need to shift again. You'll already be in tune. Now, in about, there's a high G, a phrase or so after the first repeat sign. The second time we build up the scale on the G string. When you have this high G, you can play a harmonic. It'll be much easier to find. So I'm just touching the string lightly with one finger. Come back down. And then now, in order to find my F in tune, I'm going to slide from C, first finger, to C, E flat. That takes me to my F in tune. So I can practice hearing that minor third. That's going to serve as a guide note shift to teach me how to make that shift and find my F in tune. The last piece I'll talk about is in the second section of the piece. When you have these Ds and C sharps, then you have to find your very highest note of the piece, which is an A. I would suggest basing that A off where your harmonic is. If first finger's on the harmonic, third finger will be in tune on that A. So I would practice sliding, adding an extra note, which is my first finger G harmonic, that serves as a guide note to help me practice finding that A. I'll do it one more time. Practice note. That helps me find my A in tune. Okay, so hopefully those fingerboard geography tips are going to help you to find your notes in tune as well. Good luck practicing.
Your journey as a musician involves hard work, discovery, and making music come alive. How do you become the musician you want to be? At Davidson Violins, we have the expertise to help you become a great musician. Our studios help students learn fundamental techniques that help them play some of the world's most beautiful music. Our luthiers adjust and repair your instrument to ensure you sound your best. Great instruments, bows, and a wide selection of strings allow you to be at your very best in auditions, orchestras, and your personal enjoyment. Come explore the world of string instruments with our staff of professional teachers, luthiers, and players. Visit us at 102A South Main Street in Davidson, North Carolina, or online at davidsonviolins.com. Davidson Violins is here to help you sound your best.